Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Unijax. This is my mom. I'm the son of the YouTuber Unijax. And please, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.
So today, what are we doing?
Today we want to wash our dishes. We clean them, we sparkle them.
We sparkle.
Yes.
Okay.
So guys, we want to teach you how to wash the dishes and how to rinse them and to be sparkly clean, so that when it is at night, when it is supper or tomorrow breakfast, your family will say, wow, your dishes are very clean today. Thank you.
Okay. And all of us, we are putting on
Shorts and shirts, t-shirts.
Yours is written Hakuna Matata and mine is written
Pole pole.
Pole Pole. Pole Pole Zanzibar. And yours is
Hakuna Matata, Zanzibar.
and mine is written Pole Pole
Zanzibar.
with Mzee Kobe, and this is Masai's, right?
Masai's, yeah.
Yeah. So let's get going, guys. We go and do the dishes with my dogo.
Yeah.
And you have to learn. It wants to rain, but not now. So these are all the dishes we want to do. There are so many.
Yeah.
Bring those ones here. Put them here.
Let me tell you something.
Yeah.
We got 2 cups for UK.
Great Britain. Yours, mine. So if you are coming from UK, we already have your cups here. So guys, we are done with the vyombos. My dogo here, my son wants to go and shower.
Yeah.
He has changed into his bathing robe.
And it's Manchester United. So if you're a fan of this club, please subscribe.
Yeah, if you're a Man U fan, you have said that you subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Otherwise, see you in the next video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and even to share. Right?
Thank you and bye.
Bye.
See you again.
Okay, bye.
Mwah.
I do like that too.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Bye.